Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. Tonight we have a special treat for you. We are making some Cajun dirty rice. And in this pan right here, I have some pork sausage, just 1 pound. But feel free to use any type of meat that you like, such as ground beef. If you want to use turkey, you may use it. Just make sure it's just 1 pound. And let this meat brown. Then we're going to come back and add our other ingredients. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our pork sausage. And this is Jimmy Dean. Of course, you can use any type of brand you like. It has brown. We're going to take this out, oil the pan just a tad bit, and then we're going to saute our vegetables. I'll see you back in 1 minute. Now that we have removed the sausage, we're going to add a tad bit of oil. Just like that. And basically, we're going to take our wooden spoon that we used earlier. Just going to get this brown stuff up out of here. That bottom, we want that. That's going to be delicious for the vegetables, okay? You scrape that bottom off as much as you possibly can. And if you still have some meat in there, it's no big deal, okay? And add just a tad bit of more oil. And then we are ready to saute our vegetables. And as usual, you guys, I will leave a link at the bottom exactly what ingredients I'm using. Right now, I'm putting in some pepper. Red, yellow, and green pepper. Doesn't that look delicious? I know I love me some colors like this, okay? I'm going to toss in some onions and garlic. Yum, yum. Now we're going to let this go ahead and do what it do. Saute this until it's very, very soft. And then we're going to proceed to the next step. Doesn't that look beautiful? We're going to have a delicious, 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 delicious Cajun dirty rice. See you back shortly. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Our vegetables are very soft or translucent, as some people like to call it. We're going to add in our rice. Again, I will leave these measurements at the bottom. We have some of our seasoning. I'm using a little bit of basil and Cajun seasoning, okay? Going to stir that up very well. Now we're going to add back in our meat. Get that going. How about that? Yes, yes, yes. Let's give that a stir. This is going to be delicious, y'all. If you haven't seen already, I'm making some ribs from my Instant Pot. I will leave that link below in the description. I did pass my OSHA exam, thank you, Jesus. It has been a struggle this semester with our presentations and the people I had to deal with, you know. But it's been a challenge, thank you, Jesus. I've been through it. Thank y'all for your prayers. Let's go ahead and add in our Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Bam, bam, baby. Look like that sizzle, don't you? Go ahead and add that in there. Now you can add either chicken stock, chicken broth, or water. Tonight I'm using water. H2O. Yes, yes, yes. I use about 5.5 cups of water. And you know, you just got to cook down, y'all, like you're doing dirty rice from the box. This is like homemade. Anybody can do this. Simple and easy to do. Let's give this a stir. Y'all probably hear my cat in the background as usual. We're going to bring this to a boil. Let it simmer for about 25 minutes with the lid on top of it. And then we're going to come back and taste it. How about that, you guys? See that? Woo, yes, Jesus. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is our dirty rice. Look at all those colors with the pork sausage. Doesn't that look delicious? Let's dig into it and sample it. Of course, I'm digging into it before it's actually settled. But you definitely want to settle it for at least 5 minutes before you dig into it. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? Look at all those colors. I love it. Try this recipe. It is delicious. So I thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Leave your comment below. Hit the subscribe button at the top left corner where you see my photo. And the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. Until then, God bless and have a good evening. See you next time.